I'm in the office today, and I had this thing of honey in here that has gone kind of solidified. And somebody told me if I pour it in a glass jar and nuke it, it will be good again. So that's what I'm doing. I'm letting it drip in a glass jar, and then I will nuke it at a low heat and see what happens. And the coffee pot is sick. It's chugging, 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 chugging. I put some vinegar in it to kind of clean it out, but I think it might be on its last leg. This was my coffee maker that I took from my RV a while back and that I donated to the office because I don't drink coffee, and when I traveled I always had coffee for my guests. But as you can see, this is a pretty good sized coffee maker, and yeah, I really don't need it, but I might have to buy a new one for the office on their dime, not mine. It's a race. Who will get there first? The honey or the coffee? Well, the vinegar water. Well, the honey's winning. Okay, so let's do this. This is just a tiny microwave, 700 watt, that somebody else donated to the office when we remodeled the office. So let's go time. Okay, time cook. Let's go for 20 seconds at power level 5. Just kind of want to take it slow and see how it works. Not even warm. I think it'll work though. I'll just keep working at it. Okay, so this is about a minute so far on power level 5. It's coming along actually. Awesome. Okay, another 45 seconds at power level 5, and it is honey again. So I'm going to let it cool off, put the lid back on, and we have resurrected the honey. I need a life. And this is raw, local, unfiltered honey made by local bees. So I peeled off the label and put it on that jar. So I will just leave it in the glass jar. That way, if it turns to sugar again, I will just heat it back up. You hear that? I'll keep trying, but something's definitely not right with the coffee maker. It keeps chugging and chugging and chugging, and then it takes a break for a little while, and then it'll go back to chugging again. And I don't think it's clogged. I think it's just going out. I went to Walmart yesterday and bought a a new coffee pot rather. It is a 5-cup coffee maker, and it's smaller, so it'll take up less room. The other one bit the dust, so I will set it up, and people around here that come in can have coffee again.